Okay, I just got back from Aldi and this all came to $188. So right away that's over the budget of 150, but there's reasons why. This is holiday shopping and I kind of think the budget just goes out the window with holiday shopping, but let's go ahead and go through everything and I'll show you why. I'm also doing this and putting this out the day I actually went. So this is a Wednesday.
And the reason why are these meat items here. We'll get to those in a minute, but let's go through everything.
Picked up 12 more eggs for the week since I was already there at Aldi. Just went ahead and grabbed those. And then some cheese. These were on sale. This is smoked Gouda cheese slices. I thought that sounded different and unique, so I got those. I did want some more ham. This is their smoked uncured ham. And then 3 avocados. Those were only 65 cents each. Grabbed 3. A sweet potato. I want to make an appetizer. Puff pastry sheets. Now these are great for appetizers, and they're great to leave in the freezer until you're ready to use them. I don't use them very often, but when they're at Aldi, I just grab them because they're only $3 or $4, and that's a great price for those. Did get some other cheese. This is just a blend of Colby Jack. Grab that, and then 2 blocks of cream cheese. This was the last Philadelphia cream cheese I found, so I was really pleased to grab one of those, and then I just grabbed the generic. I also got this smaller round of brie for some appetizers this weekend, and then Thanksgiving. Thanksgiving's in 2 weeks, so stuffing, herb. I like the herb stuffing. This is just the dry stuffing mix. I make a lot of stuffing, and this is different for me this year. I thought I'd take a risk here, try it. This is the Hawaiian stuffing mix. It's sage and onion. That's the type of stuffing I make. I do that every year. That's one of the sides I make. It's my grandma's stuffing, and so I make that, but I'm trying a little different variety of breadcrumbs there with the Hawaiian and the sage and onion. Okay, let's talk about the meats. All right, we have the meats. All right, looking here, this is why I went. I love their bone-in ribeye roast. This is what we have on Christmas Eve. This I know is way ahead of time. They'll do another one right before Christmas, but I'm gonna go ahead and put it in the freezer and have it. And if we want to have it early, we can, but they ran out last year around this time, so I grabbed it before they ran out. You only get one, so it's a limit of one. All right, another thing we got for Thanksgiving. This is new for us. Well, we tried it a long time ago, but this is the Pekin duck. Pekin duck. It has an orange glaze sauce. Not sure we'll use that. It is frozen, but this is just something unique. You know what's so funny? My family, I always think we love turkey. Every year I make the biggest turkey I can find, like a 20-pounder, and we end up with so much leftover, and then I find out we don't really like it as much. There's not many in my family who like turkey. So I'm trying to come up with some other proteins for Thanksgiving. We're still gonna have a turkey, but not that big. We'll have this duck, and then we're also gonna have a ham. But this is the other meat item I went for, beef tenderloin. That just screams holidays to me. It is pricey. It's this was $10.99 a pound, but my goodness, look at how big of a beef tenderloin. I'm gonna cut it in half. Half will go to holiday events. The other half will go for our dinners. Okay, I got some jellied cranberry sauce, 2 things of turkey stock. I hadn't seen turkey stock. I thought that would be the flavor I would really enhance my stuffing, so I got turkey stock. And then check these out. Not food here. These are 3. I got 3 of them. These are the holiday cactus, and I'm going to show you mine, and I've had mine for over 15 years. I didn't get it from Aldi. I don't know, somebody gave it to me as a gift, but mine has been going and growing for 15 years, and it always blooms in November, and it's beautiful. This hot pink buds are just gorgeous. I just love it. It's so beautiful. They're perfect gifts, and that's why I got 3. I'm going to be gifting that to some of my friends. All right, the other thing I got is just vacuum sealer bag. So if you're going and you want to think about sealing your meat and you have a vacuum sealer, this was at a good price. It's those bags. All right, and it says it goes with any vacuum sealer. All right, those are our Aldi items. That's our haul.
And up next, let me show you what I got from Sam's as part of this weekly groceries.
All right, a quick trip to Sam's. This is just a Small haul. I don't go crazy at Sam's because the size is usually way more than we need. But when it comes to proteins and certain items, I do like to go to Sam's. And now I went to Sam's using our membership plus benefits. I actually got to go 2 hours before the store opened, and it was so worth it. It was a lot less crowds. I could actually think and make decisions without being in people's way. So here's what we got from Sam's. I did see this non-fat plain Greek yogurt and went ahead and got that. We needed some more yogurt. And then brie. At Sam's, their brie is double, maybe even triple the size that you would see at Aldi. So I did want to get this. This is perfect for entertaining. This is your entertainment size, and this brie is really good. So got a brie wheel. And then I noticed at Sam's they are stepping up their uncured meat selection. I have not seen a trio of salamis and meats that are all uncured. So this is the Genoa, the sopressata, and the Italian dry salami, and they're all uncured. I noticed that they had a lot more variety of uncured meats, even a whole package of salami, pepperoni. They had turkey and ham, and I just really saw a big increase in the uncured products. So go check that out if you're liking the uncured options. I did see this on sale, so I got this tilapia. They had some great seafood selections. They had snapper and cod and all sorts of salmon options, but I let my budget talk and I went with something that was reduced price for the tilapia. With the season of poultry coming, I thought seafood is great to have prior and after the Thanksgiving holiday. But they did have, for a 3-pack, a good price. Also, this is organic, so the price on ground beef was great. Got a 3-pack. I've been wanting their chicken wings again because I make these in the crock pot and wanted another package of those. It's actually a 2-pack, so one of these whole packs feeds us for dinner. So those are fantastic. I like these because they are no hormones and all natural. So I really like these. Here, speaking of uncured, here is an uncured ham. Let's see what flavor I ended up picking up. This is hickory smoked. So hickory smoked uncured ham. I have not seen an uncured ham, whole ham like this. Now, this isn't a very big ham, but I am going to serve it next to our turkey for Thanksgiving. Nice to have those options. Very cool. You can see where I was going. Oh, and of course, our $5 chicken. I wasn't going to get it, but I thought, you know what? It's such an easy way to eat a lot of great protein, have a really good meal with that. So that's our haul. That's everything I got.
Okay, let's review our meals for the week. I'm going to make jalapeno popper chicken, and I can even link a video where I made that specific recipe. It was so fantastic. I am making coconut curry chicken wings with those chicken wings I got from Sam's. Tilapia, also from Sam's, with a vegetable. Paella, I still have that frozen seafood to make, so that is still on the list for a meal this week. Pork steaks, and game day is Sunday, so I'll be whipping up a lot of appetizers. Let's check that out because I put it under events. Game day, I'm going to make brie with apples and bacon. I'm going to make apple butter and goat cheese crostinis. We have so many pickles, and I have some deli ham, so I might roll those up with some pepper jelly. That would be really good in the air fryer. And then soup group's coming up. It's not specifically this week, but I just wanted to put it out here so I knew some things that I don't use it because I bought it for soup group. I'm going to make a raspberry chipotle dip, focaccia with roast beef, scallops or shrimp in a lemon butter sauce, and put that in a bread bowl. And also my desserts, I'm thinking of a chocolate cherry tart or an apple pie trifle. Oh gosh, that all sounds so good. I want that now. Okay, to use up, we have some black beans left over, and we also have in the freezer, just to keep me reminded, that I have some turkey sausage and those pork steaks. That's why I threw them on the menu for this week, to get them in the refrigerator and get them defrosted. All right, those are our meals. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time.